You can expect a lot from the 2008 Buick Lucerne. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.